Mami! Text ko na. Hindi, Mami ko, the best yan. The best. Mami, you're the best. You're one of the greatest blessing ko here in Singapore. Alam mo yun. Nasabi ko na lahat ata sa'yo. Nasulat ko na ba sa card? Thank you talaga. Thank you sa lahat na tinuro mo sa akin, na binigay mo sa akin. And, let's continue to soar high. 300.
Together we soar.
Together we soar. Ganun yung slogan na lang ng Israel. Hindi. Thank you, Mami. Yun lang. Thank you. And let's continue to grow. To grow more. To serve more. Para kay God. And palaguin ang Judah 4.
Amen.
Yan. I love you.
Hello. Game na?
Okay, game.
Ayan. Ivy. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Hindi sa kanya. Sa lahat kasi naaya niyo siya dito eh. Ibang-iba na si Ivy ngayon. Dati, wala. Ibang-iba na si Ivy. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa church at sa lahat ng tao na kasama niya. And, yun. Thank you. Wala akong masabi. Ang dami kong naman. Ayoko na.
Thank you for everything. Indeed, I'm so blessed to have you as my shepherd, to have you to guide me to grow and mature as a Christian. I love you. Wala akong masabi, darling.
Kaya mo yan. Sige pa.
Yung shy.
Ha?
Yung shy.
Ganda-ganda mo. Ningit ako. I love you. Ayun. Yun, naman yun.
Ako yung adopted. Salamat sa pagkain. Tsaka maraming salamat din sa kay Daddy Jampots na nanonood sa amin ngayon. At alam namin na magiging isang maganda kayong pamilya. At magkakaroon kayo ng mga cute na anak tulad ko. Anyway, na mami, tsaka tututot ka. Okay.
Tututot ka.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Birthday. Ay, birthday ba yung message natin? Ay, di ba? Sorry po. Akala ko for her birthday. Tapos
Pwede rin para sa birthday
Pwede
niya.
rin. O, so kakantahan na lang kita. Hindi, wag na lang. Baka masira yung video eh. Pero to Ivy, thank you. Kasi nung napunta kami sa Israel, ikaw at saka si Ate Pam, kayong dalawang unang taong nag-text sa akin na parang you were so eager to accept us, you were so eager to take us as your ships. Meh. Thank you. Thank you for being open. No, thank you for your open arms of acceptance, and we have been blessed by God because through you. Yun. May you continue to continue to grow, no? In the same way na mag-grow din kami through you. And congratulations din sa inyo. Yan. Congratulations and best wishes. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Ikaw na. Wala pa.
Hello, Mommy Ivy. I just want to thank you. Thank you for being a mother, for being a friend, a sister, and a leader to all of us. Just focus on God. Stand firm on your faith. Ano pa ba? keep nurturing your sheep, because in the end you will reap the fruits of your labor. Tapos, sabi ko ba, sasabihin ko, just continue to serve God, continue to seek Him, because in the end,
Di ba, ba't natatawa niyo? Ba't natatawa niyo?
Manahimik ka. Hello,
Ano yung mga braso?
Game na yan? Game na.
O sige, hello, mami. Tagaan mo sasabihin. Para sa mo to?
Shepherd's Night.
Shepherd's
Game, no?
Night.
Game na, game na.
Game na.
Game.
Game, o sige. Hi. Siyempre, nandito na naman ako sa aking favorite spot. Sa kusina. Ayan, may dalang map at tubig. I just want to affirm you as one of our great leader and one of the best shepherd of all sa Hope Church. And I know that you will soar higher than you have ever reached. So just continue being a good sheep and shepherd to continue soar high as a good shepherd to your sheep. And I know that God will bless you always. So just continue being happy, and because this happiness will bounce out to your sheep as well. So be happy, stay happy, and God bless you. I love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Anong masasabi mo kay Daddy?
Si Daddy, utot yun. Daddy, I love you. Joke lang. Ay, hindi, totoo yun. Baka gulpin ako. Dad, dapat siya din kunan mo siya.
Ay!
Sabihin mo, totoo. Mahal mo ako, hindi. Hindi.
Ano daw masasabi
Personal
mo
ako eh.
kay Mami?
Ang sabi ko sa kanya, tutok din siya eh.
Utot ba?
Ayan, ba't ka...
Hindi ka natatakot dito.
Mahal kita. Ano pinagmamayabang yan?
Wala ka nang kawala.
Ano? Hanggang tingin nila ako nito.
Oh, sige na.
Basta that's all I can say. Mahal na mahal kita. Yun lang.
I've been spent wide long shed and another back just to try to see clear. But for the last, and so crazy. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't about a reason to rid yourself of anything. Just to win the season is what we aim to do. I will never be but you are born here. Something no more.
You cannot wait.
I'm yours. Don't need to complicate.
Paano ba isa?
It's short, it's nothing. I'm yours. I'm still laughing. I'm looking to your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So show me, please don't. There's no need to complicate. Your time is short. Without me.
Benjamin!